Welcome to our channel. My name is Made. I will to tell you about histogram, line plot, circle graph, stem, and leaf graph. First of all, before I start, I want to let you know that I'm very bad to speaking English, so I'm very sorry about that. Okay. What is histogram? Histogram a special kind of bar graph in which the bar are used to represent the frequency of numerical data that have been organized in interval. In the histogram, there is no distance between the bars of the graph. This is because that class data point can appear anywhere in the graph coverage area, while the height of the bar corresponds to the relative frequency or frequency of the amount of data in the class. The higher the bar, the higher the data frequency. The lower the bar, the lower the data frequency. In the example, the number of wins the 2019 of the NBA for the 2000 to 2001 season have been organized into a frequency table. Make a histogram of the data. In this table, we have two rows. In one, we will have the class interval, which will be total win in the team, and in the second, we will have the frequency. That is the number of team win of each range. So these are the different class interval that are given. The first ray is team that win between 11 to 20 win. We can see that the upper limit of the interval is equal to the lower limit of the next interval, making it continuous. As it continues, the first group would mean 11 win is less than or equal to the win of team, which will be less than 20 wins. So in the second group, 21 along with all number less than 30. In the second row, we have the number of team wins of each category. 3 teams of this category was won, 4 of the category, and so on. For the range 11 to 20, the frequency is 3. Okay. Bar use the represent continuous class interval. Remember, for the graph we didn't have interval here. We just had plain simple category. But here we have interval on one axis and quantity on the other. Okay, next. What is a stem and leaf plot? Stem and leaf plot used to organize data by place value. The stem represents the guess place value digit, and the leaves represent the small place value digit. Next, in the example, Emil limits her quiz score 88, 95, 75, 82, 95, 96, and so on. The interval could be 70 to 79 and 90 and 99. And the stem and leaf plot would look like this. So what the stem and leaf plot does, it gives us the first digit in each number. Essentially you could call this the 10th place. Okay, and then it gives us the 1 place. Then everything here, the 10th place is 7. So this number right here is 0, and we call 70. This is 75. This is 80. This is 82, and so on. Okay, next. What is a line plot? Line plot is a graph to show data on a number line with X or other marks to show frequency. And this is the example. The table below shows the number of minutes each student in a math class spent studying on the night before the class math exam. Make a line plot of the data. Okay, next. What is cycle graph? Cycle graph is used to show part out of a large whole. The entire cycle represents 100%. When you want to release of data using a cycle graph, you need to first determine the percentage of each object to the overall data. Then you determine the size of the angle of each group of data. Then if you want to determine the percentage of group of data, we can do it by means of the number of group of data divided by the total amount of all data at 100% times. This is the example of cycle graph. In the example, global warming occurs in the entire surface of the earth, in the sea, and landmass. This is global warming that has been happening lately. In 60 degrees Celsius to 64 degrees Celsius is 60%. 55 degrees Celsius to 59 degrees Celsius is 4%. 75 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius is 6%. And 70 degrees Celsius to 74 degrees Celsius is 2%. And the last, 65 degrees Celsius to 69 degrees Celsius is 28%. Thank you for watching this video, and please push the like and share button. If there is delivery of the wrong word, please correct it in the comment column. Thank you and see you.